Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove your Twitter account, follow these step-by-step instructions to permanently delete your profile and data. Step 1. Open the Twitter app on your mobile device or go to twitter.com on your computer and log in to your account. Step 2. On mobile, tap your profile picture and select Settings and Privacy. On desktop, click More in the left sidebar and then select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Tap or click on your account to access account settings. Step 4. Select Deactivate your account at the bottom of the Your Account menu. Step 5. Twitter will display information about what happens during deactivation and provide options to download your data before deletion. Step 6. Read the deactivation information carefully and click Deactivate if you want to proceed. Step 7. Enter your password to confirm your identity and verify that you want to deactivate your account. Step 8. Click Deactivate Account again to confirm your decision. Step 9. Your account will be deactivated and placed in a queue for permanent deletion. You have 30 days to change your mind and reactivate by logging back in. Step 10. After 30 days of deactivation, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.